Welcome, in front of me I have COROS Pace Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So if you want to change the straps, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to flip your watch around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap we have this lever. And to release the strap you need to pull on it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will allow you to release the strap from one side, like this, and then you can wiggle it out from the other side. Sometimes pulling on this lever is quite tough because the tension on it is quite high, so it might be a bit of a struggle, but at some point it will give up. And we have our straps and our watch, and this mechanism is quite simple. Basically we have hole on each side of the watch. We have one here and one here, and we have two pins on the strap, or one pin on each side of the strap, and those pins are locked in those holes. And once you pull on the lever right here, it basically retracts the pin, which makes basically allows you to pull out the strap from the watch. Okay, and once you get the new straps and you want to get them on, you grab the strap, you take the side farther or opposite of the lever, you insert it into a hole on the watch. I also recommend to check the orientation. Make sure that the bottom strap is right here at the bottom. I mean, you can put them in the other configuration or direction, but it will be a bit weird in my opinion. So I recommend to make sure that you're putting the bottom strap at the bottom. But if you like it the other way, you can also do it like that. But take a strap, insert it into a hole on this side, like this, then pull on the lever to retract the pin, and push in the strap to align it with the hole. And once it clicks in, sometimes it's a bit finicky, but once it clicks in, it will hold. Okay, let's do the other side. Like that, like this, pull on the lever, and then align it and release it, like this. Oh. Okay, that was weird. I think I pressed a find my device button, so my bad. But okay, now it's holding. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.